K-body clamps from BESSEY are the industry standard for parallel clamps, and a range of accessories are available to make them even more useful around the shop. The framing set holds and orients any of the K-body clamps to help manage your assemblies. They can be placed on top of a bench or table for light-duty applications, or the removable bases can be screwed in place for more demanding tasks. The slots are molded in at different depths, holding multiple clamps perpendicular to each other, creating fast and reliable assembly setups. Pivoting adapter jaws can be added to any K-body clamp, allowing controlled and uniform pressure to be applied to just about any part, regardless of shape. The extender allows K-body clamps to be connected to one another. The end clips are removed, one of the operating heads is reversed onto one of the bars, the second operating head is removed completely, and the clamp ends secured with the supplied bolts. The extender is a heavy-duty aluminum extrusion that's specifically shaped to hold and support the bars when joined. The extender actually adds a little bit to the combined capacity of the clamps being joined, increasing the reach and versatility of the clamps in the shop. Operating jaws and Vario jaws are also available. Adding another operating jaw to a Vario clamp, or adding one of each to a standard clamp, can turn any K-body into a dual clamp. BESSEY's table clamps also work with the REVO series, using the rail protectors or the end clips to secure the clamps to benches, tables, or anywhere needed. And of course, extra rail protectors and end clips can be added as needed to protect both the stock and the clamps during work. Having the proper BESSEY accessories on hand will help your K-body parallel clamps become even more important to your shop.